Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. The question says two Earth satellite A and B, each of mass m, are to be launched into circular orbits about Earth center. Satellite A is to orbit at an altitude of 6370 km. Satellite B is to orbit at an altitude of 19850 km. The radius of Earth RE is 6370 km. What is the ratio of potential energy of satellite B to that of satellite A in orbit? So in this question we have given two satellites, that is satellite A and B, and we have given its altitude from Earth's surface, which is this and this. Also we have given the radius of Earth, and we have to calculate the ratio of potential energy of satellite B to satellite A. So in this question, the key concept here is gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy. This is the key concept. And we have given the altitude of satellite A from the Earth's surface is 6370 km, and for satellite B it is 19850 km, and the radius of Earth RE is equals to 6370 km, and we have to calculate their ratio of potential energy, that is U of B by U of A. Now the potential energy of a satellite of mass small m revolving around the earth in a circular orbit is given by the following relationship, and the relation is U is equals to minus of G capital M small m by R of E plus H, where G is the gravitational constant and M is the mass of Earth and R is the radius of mass of satellite and R is the radius of Earth and H is the altitude. Now G is same for both of the satellite, capital M mass of Earth is same for both the satellite, and M is also same given in the question. Both the satellite have same mass, so this M is also same. So U is only depends on RE plus H value. So we can calculate the ratio from here. So U of B by U of A is equals to RE plus HA by RE plus HB, because we have the inversely proportional relation. So RE की वैल्यू हमें गिवन है 6370 किलोमीटर एंड HA की वैल्यू भी गिवन है 6370 किलोमीटर एंड RE की वैल्यू तो गिवन है 6370 किलोमीटर एंड HB की वैल्यू गिवन है 19850. सो यहाँ से हम इसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे. सो दिस इज 12740 by 26220. सो UB by UA. सो यहाँ से हमें UB by UA का रेशियो मिल जाएगा 0.486. ये हमें रेशियो मिल जाएगा पोटेंशियल एनर्जीज का UB by UA. सो दिस इज आवर आंसर. I hope you got this concept. Thank you and all the very best.